Hey everyone, it's me, Sarah T, here with an insider look at our new Sandcarving mass film, Laser Thick. This bright green film offers extra strength and durability for projects that require deep etching, plus the ability to stick to tough or textured surfaces. It's ideal for concrete and clay bricks, granite, and natural stone. With its added adhesion and 7 mil thickness, Laser Thick allows you to sandblast longer, achieving substantial depth while keeping your edges clean and sharp. Let's start with a few overall tips before we walk through a couple application processes. First, you're going to want to cut it down to a manageable size, just slightly larger than your engraving piece. Note there is going to be a carrier sheet on both sides of the film. Second, always begin with a clean surface. Bricks and stones naturally have some loose dust or debris, so use compressed air or a scrub brush to prep the area for best adhesion. Also, be sure that your brick is not cold and is at room temperature. Lastly, this material becomes more pliable with heat. Even your natural body heat helps it conform to uneven surfaces. I have 3 different substrates here: a brick, a raw piece of slate, and a JDS slate decor piece. The brick. I have it washed and completely dried. I'm taking my pre-cut rectangle, peeling off the carrier sheet from the sticky side, and pressing it onto the surface. Then I'm going to use what some people call the 4-finger flick and remove the top carrier sheet. After that, I will apply firm, even pressure to make sure everything is secure. Over in my laser on an 80-watt Trotec, I'm using 100 power and 40% speed at 600 DPI. The laser creates the stencil, and you will want to make sure all the bright green is removed from the rastered areas. If any of it remains, just run a quick second pass. Now we're ready for the Crystal Blast Elite 3.0 Sandcarve cabinet. We're using 180 grit at 50 PSI. Laser Thick will hold up really well even with extended blasting, and with consistent passes you can control exactly how deep you want your etching to be. For this brick, we're going to color fill using black spray paint. I'll leave the mask on, apply a few light coats, and let it fully dry. I'll then peel the mask to reveal a beautiful deep engraving with crisp edges. This slate decor piece has a pretty smooth surface, so applying Laser Thick is quick and easy. Using Laser Thick on this compared to just lasering shows just how much more depth and contrast you can achieve, all while maintaining sharp edges and small details. This raw slate piece has a more uneven surface, so it takes a little extra prep, but is still completely doable with Laser Thick. For unique pieces like this, it can help to give the surface a light pre-blast to smooth out small imperfections and create a better adhesion. Another tip is to use a light layer of watered down Elmer's glue. Let it fully dry and then apply the mask. This deserves its own video, but for now, just know that it works and it's great on tricky surfaces. Add a new dimension to your work today and try Laser Thick. Learn more online or give us a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.